Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters. Hello, everyone. As we all are quarantined at our homes due to coronavirus, this is the best time to learn some new German vocabulary. The theme is health.
Thema Gesundheit. Das Krankenhaus.
Hospital,
Der Arzt. Die Ärztin.
doctor,
Der Pfleger. Die Pflegerin.
nurse,
Die Symptome.
symptoms. Let's learn common symptoms of coronavirus.
Das Fieber. Haben Sie das Fieber?
Fever. Do you have fever?
Der Husten.
Cough,
Der Halsschmerzen.
sore throat,
Erkältet.
sick with a cold,
Der Schnupfen.
common cold,
Die Schmerzen.
pain,
Einatmen.
to breathe in,
Ausatmen.
to breathe out. If you have these symptoms, please get yourself examined.
Untersuchen.
To examine,
Medikamente.
medicines.
Verschreiben.
To prescribe,
Wie Sie sich schützen.
how to protect yourself.
Hände waschen.
Hand wash,
Die Seife.
soap. Wash your hands with soap regularly.
Wenn möglich, bleiben Sie zu Hause.
Stay at home if possible.
Zum Ende gute Besserung.
And get well soon.
Passen auf Sie auf.
And take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Zenith Institute. Thank you.